This type of paper fold animation is viral nowadays. And the best part is, you don't have to use any professional software like After Effects or DaVinci Resolve to create. Just go to the link in the description, click on Launch App. Now sign in with Google. This will give you 1 credit. Click here to upload your image or logo that you want to animate. Click on your image and then Use Image. Click here to open the Toggle Paper Unfold. Here you can add any text. On the right side, you will see all the adjustment options. Here's the horizontal and vertical video option. Click here and export the video as MP4. Here is the result.